Fast startup in Windows 10. It is a feature in Windows 10 that allows your computer to start up faster after a shutdown. When you shut down your computer, Fast startup will put your computer into a hibernation state instead of a full shutdown. To configure the same, go to Start, Settings, System. In the left side pane, choose Power and Sleep. Click on Additional Power Settings. In the left side pane, choose what the power buttons do. There you can find shutdown settings. Currently all settings are disabled. To enable the same, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now all the shutdown settings are enabled, and please find Turn on Fast Startup there. It is the recommended setting and by default it is turned on. If you want, you can disable it as well. Below that you can see it is mentioned as this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected. So if you are facing some issues and you are doing a shutdown and starting your PC, it might not solve your problem as many of the services and tasks will be hibernated. So in such cases, restarting is the first option.